Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm Matt, this is Twigs T4, and today, well, we're not really getting up to a great deal because I've actually been off ill all week with man flu, which if all you men know is an absolute killer and will leave you doing absolutely nothing all week. So I went into work Monday and then the rest of the week has been a complete write-off. It's now Saturday and it's a shame taking this time off from work. It would have been nice to, well, 1 week I could have probably smashed the rest of the van out, but unfortunately I haven't done anything. I've just been really ill. But there is a few things I have got on with since the last video because, you know, since the last video and being ill, although the video was on Sunday, I don't always film and then upload straight away. You know, it might have been filmed 3, 4, 5 days in advance or what have you, but this week we are leaving it to the very last moment. I've got nothing filmed. Well, I say I've got nothing filmed. Ooh, my knee. I've got a few clips from some of the repairs that we have done. So as you can see there is some primer up there. I had a hole up in the roof that I had to get rid of. The roof is really badly dented, which I wasn't aware of until I took all of this headlining down. So I've taken all of the headlining down up here. So yeah, we had a hole there that needed repairing. That hole in the centre there, which was for the vent, that vent's now been removed. We're just going to weld that up, just blank it off. Ideally, if someone wanted a pop top, this would be perfect for a pop top. I mean, it is registered as a camper van anyway. It's just a shame that it doesn't have the pop top. I'm not going to put one in. I'm just doing it so I can just get rid of it and make a little bit of money, make some videos, get on to the next vehicle. It would be nice to just keep on doing more vehicles and then be able to be, pardon me, it would be nice to be in a position where I can make these videos but actually sell the vehicles and actually get to a stage where we can be in a unit, and then I could actually do some proper work. Although I did have someone yesterday, the other day actually, when I was out here. So yesterday, I might have been out here yesterday, just having a look, stood here looking at it. And someone actually asked me about doing welding on their vehicles. So yes, we do welding on other vehicles as well. It's not just Volkswagens and camper vans. But yeah, you can either have work done at Dream Day Campers themselves, they do stuff, or you can message me and I can come do your welding for you. It's all whether you want someone to come to your house and you want it done that way, or whether you want it done properly in a unit. It's down to you. Yeah, so a few little bits have been sorted out. The roof rack's now been taken off and we've got the roof rack down here, all lead out. Lovely. What else have I been up to? Yeah, just welding up the holes on the roof. So these little metal clips just here, we got rid of them. We got rid of them on the other side. It's just starting to rain as well. So the plan will be, we'll get rid of those O-ring clips, those brackets, clamps, whatever they are. We'll get rid of them on this side, and then that'll be the roof done. I'll put the roof rack back on, and then yeah, happy days. I am leaving that vent there. We'll leave that skylight, that little one there, that can stay in there. It's not a problem. There's loads of little holes that I've already started treating, as you can see, like rust treatment. Like it's all purple and stuff. If you want to know what rust products I use, rust treatment products, I've got several products. I've got just a basic rust treatment that you apply. It's an acid, and then you wash it off with a soapy water afterwards to neutralise it. I've got one of them. I've also got Built Hamper Hydrate 80, bloody good product. And I also got Dinitrol RC900, another really good product that I use. So these are the rust products that I use, and they treat everything. Yeah. So unfortunately, a little bit of a short video, but I will show a few of the clips now of some of the repairs that we've done on the roof, and that leaves just the inside left to do now. This side, and then obviously all of the windscreen, all that needs sorting out. We'll get that done. And that's the van done. Well, there's this side done anyway, at least. So, lovely. Getting there. Getting there. Well, and then some dents and all the rest of it. Nothing major. Right. Let's roll some B clips of what's been done. Oh, also, I've looked and noticed I've pulled all this trim up, this drip tray, that drip seal, taken that off, and it's rusty all along. So that door's going to have to be taken off so we can do the repairs up the top there. Right, lovely. Happy days. I'm going to call it that. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Stick around to see what I've done on the roof. I'm going to play the clips now, and I'll see you next time. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.